episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Yeah, man. But today we're going to get straight to our She's Hot contest, starting it off with Isa Gonzalez to correct myself.
That's right.
Now, you may have seen her in a few films, such as her most recent debut in Ambulance or Baby Driver, and Bloodshot, just to name a few. But she is a 10, Dr. Ross. She deserves this win. And to tell you a little bit about her, Isa Gonzalez Reina is a Mexican actress and singer. She gained popularity for her debut role as Lola Valentinte in the Mexican musical Telenova Lola Erese Una Vez, and later starred in the lead role of Clara Molina in the Nickelodeon teen drama Suena Conmigo.
A bombshell.
That's right. But we want to say congratulations. We're going to get straight into our hot topics, starting it off with our She's Hot winner and Jason Momoa. So, Isa Gonzalez was seen with Jason Momoa, and now they're sparking we're going to say allegedly, they're getting together.
An entanglement, as Jada likes to call it.
That's right. Now, Dr. Ross, I personally don't think that this is going to last too long. Because
I don't think so either.
Especially after looking her up on Google, she has a relationships tab, and it says that she's been in over 9 relationships.
Maybe she just likes to test out the waters. We don't know how Lisa Bonet is going to react to this. We don't know if there'll be voodoo spells, but maybe Lisa doesn't care. On to our next hot topic.
And just as a quick note, Dr. Ross and I are on our way to the Waco Police Academy, so that explains the noise.
Took a second for some ice cream.
Because right now we're filming in the limo, and that's right. We took a small break at the nearby Mickey D's.
That's right.
But we're going to get straight back into our hot topics with the Kardashian family. Right. So, recently at the Billboard Awards, Travis Scott and Kylie Jenner were there. Travis Scott performed this song, which was, let's just say he was high on bath salts.
Drugs.
And Kylie Jenner the whole time was looking at him, just with Stormi in the crowd as well, looking like she is going to wring someone's neck. But Travis Scott shouldn't have came back with this song, in my opinion. And second off, Kylie, when she loses that baby fat, she's going to be going for someone else. But still.
Exactly. She'll be heading back to the streets. But we already know she's already out there. She came in a skimpy dress. But also, like you were saying, IK,
exactly.
All the Kardashian news. We want to also mention her fellow sister, Kim Kardashian, or as Kanye calls her, Kimberly, please come home. We don't know the last time she's been home, but if you didn't see her new Sports Illustrated magazine cover, she's not hiding anything. And if the kids didn't see it already, they're seeing it now.
That's right. She left nothing to the imagination. She got a literal string bikini on, showing off the skims. And this actually made me come with the realizations yesterday, Dr. Ross. The reason why it's called skims is because she's selling you the skims, skimming it off the top.
Showing you the skin.
That's right. But you know what? Even though a lot of people are getting mad saying Sports Illustrated is not using Sports Illustrated models as they used to with the bikini models, professional models, they're using just more name brand. I personally like the direction they're going in now, because either way, it's the same thing. Professional models, everyone's a professional model now.
Exactly. They're bringing in the business, so they're being business people. They know that putting Kim on this cover will drive up their sales and it'll make them more money.
Especially since they recently even put Elon Musk's mother on the Sports Illustrated magazine.
Oh yes, I saw that. I have one thing to say. Miss Meghan Musk, you should have came out with a different swimsuit completely, or maybe jazz it up with a suit, because this was not the look. But Meghan Musk, you're always beautiful, but after Kim's rendition of the Playboy magazine knockoff, nothing comes close.
I agree. We're going to move into our next hot topic, though, with Johnny Depp. This is going to be a quick one, but Johnny Depp has allegedly been taken out of the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. But they're still going to be using his face and likeliness for all of the different Pirates of the Caribbean promotional material and toys, items, etc.
So he can still make his money.
Yes, but Dr. Ross, you win some, you lose some. Johnny Depp can really make his own Pirates of the Caribbean. That's what I would do.
Exactly. Well, half and half. We'll see how it goes. Right now, he's probably too busy dealing with the Amber Heard case. But let's get into our next.
But right to the side of us, we're going to be coming up next to the police equipment, the police vans.
That's right.
And we're gonna. Final hot topic, Snoop Dogg was allegedly saying that he's going to be purchasing the multi-billion-dollar company Twitter.
Exactly.
First off, no sticks, no stems, no seeds. Sticky icky weed. But second off, we don't know if you're talking about buying the Tweety Bird or if you're talking about buying the billion-dollar company Snoop. Because we know for sure that Martha Stewart and you are both not billionaires. But still, we've got love for you, Snoop. And you know, we know that you're trying to think big, but who knows? Maybe the thing you need to start off with buying some Acorns, Robinhood investments.
Exactly.
But still, keep on doing you, Snoop. These were all of our hot topics for today. Dr. Ross and I have places to go and places to be. We're going to catch up on our books. One is, the book I'm reading right now is Tim Tebow's This Is the Day. I'm reading his Passages. It has to be one of the best books I've read. And Dr. Ross is reading Where the Crawdads Sing.
That's right.
But we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose Gold. We out.